I started this forge build probably 2 years ago. It's made out of 12-inch pipe. I put 2 layers, I think, of 1-inch KO wool. Used ITC, coated it once, never fired it because I don't have any burners. Laid fire brick in the bottom. Cut 2 holes up here with a torch. Threw the stand together for it, put it on rollers. My original forge that I built 10 years ago out of a portable air tank finally gave up the ghost, so I'm going to try to build my own burner assembly, 2 of them. These are ideally would be reducing tees with 1.25 inch, reduced down to 3/4 here, but I couldn't find any of those, so I just bought these bushings to reduce them down to 3/4. Earlier today, these are just 1.25 inch plugs, and I drilled a hole that these nipples will fit in. That's 1/8 inch stainless steel nipple. Then I drilled another hole and tapped it. I think that's 5/16 24 threads. And then on one side of these, I had the, I don't know if you can, the camera's going to pick it up, but inside the ID, it's tapped to 1/4 28, I believe, and that's supposed to accept a MIG tip. I gotta find my MIG tips. So I'm gonna get started putting this stuff together and we'll see if it works. Might have to wind up taking some 1/4 20 nuts and weld into this. It's a pretty thin wall. Might work. Got this 1/2-inch stainless tubing and some 3/8. The 3/8, well, to clean those burrs up, but the 3/8 fits inside. So I'm gonna try to make me like a tool holder that'll hold the handle that I weld to my Damascus billets when they're heating up. that's about it for today. Tomorrow, I'll get my torch tips, MIG torch tips, 35 thousandths, and screw into the end of these where I had them threaded. I need to make me a flap, something I can roll up out of the way and close back for both of these. I wanted to put valves here where I could run off one burner if I wanted to, but I didn't have enough room, so it is what it is. Well, I think I found the right MIG torch tips. I'm gonna take this out and put the tips in. We might get to fire this thing up. Hopefully it don't blow up. I'm gonna see if they work first, and then if it works, I'm gonna put the flares on the burners. Alright, I lowered these again, and I put some tape across here thinking it might be sucking too much air in there. Definitely not the way to go. That's weird. I think I'm gonna put the nozzles on. I think that might have something to do with it, not sure. Well, I'm closing in on it. Been adjusting on those tips. It might get me by till I get one bought anyway. I think my problem, one of my problems is not having reducing tees up there, not having that swedge for that gas to flow evenly down through the burner. And then I got a breeze blowing in my shop. That's affecting it some, but might be able to do some more fine tuning and get it a little better.